Looking for the best cordless patio cleaner that actually gets the job done? Stay with me, because today we're ranking 5 top contenders from worst to best, and the top pick might surprise you. Kicking things off at the bottom of our list is the SakerPlus cordless blower. Now this one isn't technically a patio cleaner in the traditional sense, but it's marketed as one. It's best described as a powerful cordless leaf blower that's great for dry debris, but lacks any scrubbing or washing features. The SakerPlus does bring some strong airflow to the table, especially for its size. With a 21-volt battery and speeds reaching 76 miles per hour, it's more than enough to blow away leaves, grass clippings, and light dust. It's lightweight, and with 2 batteries included, you'll have some solid runtime. But when it comes to real patio cleaning, like grime, moss, or stains, it just doesn't have the tools. Its biggest drawback is that it actually doesn't clean surfaces. There's no water spray, no pressure, no scrubbing, just air. And while it's useful in the right context, it can't compete with actual patio cleaners that offer real cleaning power. If you need something strictly for sweeping dry patios or driveways, and you're not looking to do any wet cleaning, this might work. Otherwise, keep watching for more capable options. By the way, links to all the products I mentioned today at the best prices are in the description below this video. Next up is the BISSELL Little Green, and this one's a bit of a specialist. It's built to clean upholstery and fabrics, not patios, but if you've got outdoor furniture with cushions, it might be a game changer. Its cordless design and 2 water tanks make spot cleaning quick and mess-free. What makes this machine shine is its focused cleaning performance. The included hose and stain tool help lift grime from fabric seats, outdoor couches, and even rugs. It's lightweight, has decent runtime, and it's perfect for those tricky stains that bigger machines miss. But it's not built for patios, decks, or hard surfaces. It doesn't have the pressure or brush power to tackle stone, concrete, or wood. Think of this as your go-to for cushions, not concrete. If your priority is outdoor furniture, this little guy is a great companion, but if you're after a proper patio cleaner, we're just getting started. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Coming in at the middle of the pack, the Lemolifys pressure washer takes us into true patio cleaning territory. It's cordless, portable, and a big step up from the previous tools. It's not as powerful as a plug-in washer, but it's certainly more capable than a blower or upholstery cleaner. This washer hits a max pressure of 652 psi, not exactly industrial grade, but enough to blast dirt off patios, decks, and garden furniture. The adjustable nozzle is a nice touch, letting you swap between spray patterns on the fly. Plus, it can pull water from a bucket, so you're not limited to garden hose connections. That said, it's still mid-range in power. You'll feel the difference when you're tackling tough, caked-on grime. You'll struggle compared to higher pressure models. And the battery life, while decent, can run down quickly on demanding jobs. For light to medium outdoor cleaning, it's a reliable cordless option. If portability is your priority and you're not battling stubborn messes, this one's worth considering. In second place, the Wagner Lemolifys brings something unique to the lineup. This isn't a pressure washer, it's a motorized scrubber with dual rotating brushes and an integrated water spray system. Think of it like a vacuum for your patio, but instead of suction, it scrubs dirt away with real muscle. The Lemolifys is built for textured and stained surfaces like wooden decks, composite patios, and stone pavers. The brushes rotate in opposite directions, creating a glide effect that makes it surprisingly easy to maneuver. It even dispenses cleaning solution as you go, so there's no need to pre-spray or rinse separately. Its only real downside, it doesn't have pressure. So while it's amazing for scrubbing and lifting embedded grime, it won't blast off heavy mud or moss the way a washer might. And with a single 18-volt battery, you might need to recharge between large patio jobs. If scrubbing is more important to you than blasting, this is the tool you've been looking for. It's ideal for homeowners who want an ergonomic, low-splash, all-in-one cleaning tool for decks and patios. And now, taking the top spot, this is the KEPEAK cordless pressure washer. It stands out with a max pressure of 1,450 psi, making it the most powerful tool on this list by a long shot. If you're looking for real patio cleaning performance in a cordless package, this is it. What makes KEPEAK so effective is that it brings together solid pressure, good water flow, and portability. You don't need a faucet, you can draw water from a bucket or pool. It includes 2 batteries, a multi-spray nozzle, and a bunch of accessories that make cleaning your patio, driveway, car, or fence surprisingly effortless. Now, it's not without limits. You'll get about 20 minutes per battery, and it won't match a gas washer in raw force. But for a battery-powered tool, it punches way above its weight class. This is the cordless cleaner I'd recommend to most people. It balances power, flexibility, and ease of use. And it actually makes cleaning patios satisfying instead of frustrating. All the top cordless patio cleaners we covered today are linked below at the best prices, so don't forget to check those out. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews.